Hello and welcome to Inyo Pool's how-to guide section. In this video, we will go over the steps to replacing a Hayward DE filter pressure gauge. Over time, the pressure gauge on your pool filter may become damaged, unreadable, or inaccurate. This guide will walk you through the steps of replacing your gauge. Step 1. Order parts. Order a pressure gauge to have it on hand to replace your broken or unreadable gauge. Step 2. Turn off pump. Before you remove the broken pressure gauge, make sure you turn off the pool pump. For maximum safety, turn off the power at the circuit breaker. Step 3. Relieve pressure. You will have to relieve the pressure that builds up in the filter during operation. To relieve pressure, turn the relief valve lever on top of the filter counterclockwise. Step 4. Remove pressure gauge. The pressure gauge is located on the end of the air relief valve on the Hayward DE filter. Twist the gauge off in a counterclockwise direction. If it does not turn easily, use an open-ended wrench on the brass nut at the base of the gauge. Step 5. Put 2 to 3 layers of plumber's Teflon tape on the threads of the new pressure gauge. Wrap the tape in a clockwise direction so that it will stay on as you screw the gauge on. Step 6. Screw on pressure gauge. Thread the pressure gauge into the air relief valve in a clockwise direction. Use an open-ended wrench to tighten the last half turn. Do not over-tighten. Step 7. Turn on pump. Turn on the power to the pump at the breaker box. Step 8. Close relief valve. When a steady stream of water shoots out of the air relief valve, close the valve. You have now successfully replaced the pressure gauge on your Hayward DE filter. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to call us toll-free at 1-877-372-6038 or visit us online at www.inyopools.com.